Distribution via social media can be enormously effective, but also requires precisely optimised content in order to reach intended audiences and get results. In this video, we'll look at how to make video work for different platforms. YouTube is the closest to traditional media, and the goal is to make films that people watch all the way through. Linear, direct narratives work well for this, using relatable voices, and unlike many other platforms, people actually listen to YouTube films, so great audio is important. As the world's second biggest search engine, you need to make your YouTube videos searchable and recommendable. Use search-friendly titles, spend time writing a description, and use attractive and eye-catching thumbnail images. Have a few thumbnails to try out if you're not getting the results you expect. All your videos will be on your channel, so build consistency across all of your content if you can. Longer content can also work well on LinkedIn, helping to build brand awareness, B2B. Facebook is considered the second most popular video platform, but here we need to keep it short. Most videos are auto-played rather than click to play, so make sure your video is subtitled. Videos don't tend to be watched all the way through, so make sure you share the most important information at the beginning. Shorter is also sweeter on Twitter, a platform all about immediacy. Front-load your information into the video and make sure the on-screen text is bigger than on the other platforms because of how videos appear in the feed. Instagram is image-focused, so video can work really well here. But you need to make sure your video has a reason to move, so keep it energetic from frame one. Avoid talking heads and narratives that are not reflected in the visuals. Videos in your feed can be up to 1 minute and should be square with on-screen text. As well as feeds, Stories and IGTV offer a chance to play with shorter form and longer form content, so don't be afraid to explore vertical formats. And speaking of vertical formats, with 1 billion monthly active users, TikTok offers a reach to other demographics. Videos should be vertical, short, and the best content uses formats that are prevalent on the app, such as trending audios as well as self-shot talking head pieces. Just make sure you act fast if you're following current trends, as they get outdated quickly.